Hello guys, welcome. And today we will discuss how is writing task 1 in the IELTS test assessed. I've already posted a video on how is speaking assessed. So let's look at this one. First point is task achievement. Now it says addressing all parts of the question, highlighting key features with rare lapses in content and meeting all requirements of the task fully. So what are the requirements of IELTS task 1? You have to write 150 words and you have 20 minutes. Okay. I often advise students to spend about 16 to 17 minutes and they should write 150 words. In IELTS writing task 1, especially for academic students, you are given a graph where you have to summarize all the information provided in the graph and make relevant comparisons. Okay, while for general students it's all about letter, so they have to write a letter to the professor or they have to write a letter to the railway customer service ambassador or something along those lines. Okay, so addressing all parts of the question with rare lapses in content. What does rare lapses in content mean? Rare lapses in content mean your writing should be on point. You should not be writing about other things. So for example, if you are writing a letter to the customer service representative or the customer service manager regarding the fact that you lost your mobile phone in the train, do not go in tangent by saying, "Oh, the fact of the matter is the train infrastructure is incomplete, or the trains do not come on time." That diverges from the issue itself. Okay, and also in writing task 1 of the academic, I've seen students I've seen students basically not putting all the information that is given in the graph but assuming things. Okay, and I often advise students not to assume stuff. Write what is in the graph itself. Okay, let's talk about point 2, which is grammatical range and accuracy. Ability to produce writing that is grammatically correct using both simple and complex sentences with correct punctuation. Ability to produce sentences that have a meaning, okay, with correct punctuation, that is full stop, commas, apostrophes, okay. Also, writing sentences in a coherent manner, in a cohesive manner. Simple as well as complex sentences. What are simple sentences? Simple sentences are sentences which have one independent clause, and complex sentences are sentences which have multiple independent clauses. Okay. The third point is lexical resource. Ability to express clearly and choosing right words and phrases. Choosing right words and phrases. If the word does not fit in the context, then it is a wrong word. Okay, so you have to choose words that fit in the context of the paragraph. Okay, for example, I have seen students mixing mean and percentage, or worse, percentile and percentage, which have two different meanings. Okay, also paraphrasing. Paraphrasing is just writing the sentence in your own words. For example, in writing task 1 in academic, you will be given a graph and you have to change the topic sentence. Changing the topic sentence does not mean changing the meaning. Changing the sentence means paraphrasing the sentence in your own words. Okay? Plus using wide range of vocabulary. Wide range of vocabulary means different words which have the same meaning. For example, using synonyms. So for example, you can use for plenty, there is vast. So you don't have to write there is plenty of water in my area. There is, or I have plenty of mobile phones. I have a vast array of mobile phones. Something along those lines. Also, for example, in writing task 1, if the topic says the bar graph showcases. So you can say the bar graph elucidates something along those lines. With minor spelling errors. Minor spelling errors means very less spelling mistakes. Don't write for work. If the word work comes in, just you are writing WOREK. Okay, the spelling of work is WORK. Okay. Now the fourth point is coherence and cohesion. Information and ideas are logically organized with clear overall progression using a wide range of cohesive devices. Information should be logically provided. Okay. So for example, if you're writing about, let's say, technology is important for technology is very important for humans today. Okay. So in the next paragraph you will show how technology is important, what are the various technological devices. So for example, are showing content in the information. So in the state formula, so if the data, if the paragraph state is saying that compare how consumer spending was there in 2 years, okay, 1920 and 2010. So I'm student writing in 1990, consumer spent this much on electronics, and in 2010, and in the next line they will say in 2010. They will not move on how the spending was made. Okay, so you have to logically organize your writing. Also, you have to ensure that you use cohesive devices. The next slide, certain moreover, furthermore, although. Okay, so it is transition the information that you are providing. Okay, so these are all the 5 descriptors for writing that one. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button